Hi everyone, in today's video we are gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Endurox Prime. So Endurox Prime is basically a supplement capsule for men to provide them with the health and power sport. So these are the capsules that are available on Amazon, and they claim that these are gluten free and all the ingredients that are included in this product are all natural. But we cannot see the list of ingredients anywhere in the description of their Amazon website, which is a red flag, but I have got you covered. We can see the list of all 7 ingredients included in this product at this website. So after that, let's deep dive into the company that produces this product. So the company name is Livorka, and if we look at the reviews of Livorka company, it has a 66 out of 100 trust score on Scam Advisor website, and in my opinion it is a slightly above average score. Now let's deep dive into the safe case use of this product. So FDA advises these kind of dietary supplements can support your overall health but may also have powerful effects on the body, especially if the supplements are taken in high doses. And according to the recommendation of the Endurox Prime, they say that 60 capsules are for a full month supply, which means 2 capsules for 1 day. And in my opinion, it is slightly overdosed. So in conclusion, I would say you should only buy this product after consulting with the doctor and providing them with the list of ingredients it may include. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below, and I will try to make the reviews of as much products as I can. But since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I have created a document to help you out to do the research on your own and qualify the product before buying it. And this document will be very helpful for you. So do check out the document in the description below, and I hope to see you in the next video.